Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today I'm gonna do a festival season look because I haven't done anything with glitter or anything like that in a while, so I don't know what colors I'm gonna use yet or really what I'm gonna do. I'm taking a lot of my inspiration from Lina Bugz, who was one of the first like makeup artists that I followed on Instagram and like really just like was obsessed with, am obsessed with, will always be obsessed with. So I'm taking some inspiration from her recent festival look as well as some glitter tears that she did a while back that were just, or not glitter tears, glitter freckles that she did that are just so good. So we'll see where we end up. Still trying to decide what colors I'm gonna do. I'm just going through all my eyeshadow right now, trying to decide what I'm gonna do. Like, what is going on?
Should I just do a rainbow?
I don't know, people. I don't know. Anyway, first off, I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. Because I want to be a little glowy, you know? It's fucking festival. I put a lot on because I just want to be luminous and blurry, okay? I'm gonna use my Colourpop concealer on my eyes in Fair 00, which is just white. Now, what am I gonna do for my eyebrows? I don't know. I feel like half of these videos are always just me being like, I don't know. But I also don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use my Colourpop brow gel. So I'm going to use the Morphe 35B palette. So now that my game of how many brushes can I use on one look is over.
Ooh. Ah.
I think I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Flash palette. I'm going to use the gold and silver to draw a little line on my cut crease. I'm gonna draw my eyeliner on. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna use my chocolate mousse pencil from Morphe. I'm gonna use my Colourpop translucent powder. See, like I have a Colourpop problem. Guess what kind of product I'm gonna use next? Colourpop. Well, it's my bronzer, and I always use the same bronzer. If you watch my channel, you know that I only use Private Party pretty much. little bit of blush, which is also Colourpop. Oh my god, Colourpop, please notice how much I'm obsessed with you. I'm gonna do a bit of Colourpop blush. And that's just Rom-Com from Colourpop. I'm gonna smoke another bowl because I feel like I still have a bit to go.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Oh, well, I guess I forgot to stop recording. Okay, so I put eyeshadow under my eyes, obviously. I'm gonna use ring light to highlight my brow bone on both sides. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my lashes, mascara. Okay, so now that my mascara is on, I'm gonna brush away the powder that I had still resting on my face before I put on my lashes. Lash time. I think I'm gonna use my Rouge Rogue and Slayer because I love these lashes. And then I don't know what bottom lashes I'm gonna use, but I know I'm going to use them because when you're going to a festival, you wanna look extra as fuck. Every time I don't go extra as fuck, I feel like I'm like underdressed. But before you go, you always think you're gonna be like overdressed, and then you get there and you're like, wow, I really could have done more. Trust me. I have no idea what kind of lip I'm gonna do also. So these are NYX lashes and exposed. So now that I've got my bottom lashes on, I'm gonna start with my glitter. I have big chunky gold and silver glitter, and then I'm also gonna use finer gold and silver glitter. The finer ones are from NYX. The chunkier ones are from Target. I'm gonna take this thin brush and kind of dot some. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a relatively fluffy brush. I think I'm going to use this one. It's from like a Too Faced palette, I think, or Urban Decay. I don't know. And I'm just going to spray it with some setting spray. And then I'm going to pick up some of the gold glitter and just kind of tap it on. So when I use my chunky glitter, I like to pour it out onto this little Sephora mirror. I don't really know why, I just do. But for these ones, I'm gonna need glitter glue. So I'm gonna grab my Too Faced glitter glue and put a little bit on my hand once I have the glitter out. I literally have glitter all over me. Was it worth it? Yes. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do a black lip because I'm me. Okay, this look is definitely too early for me. Sorry for anyone who actually don't care. I like black lips. It's gonna happen. If I knew where my black lip liner was. Okay, so my teacher from makeup school called me, so I just lined my lips, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the final look. Alright, so I thought I had a better little decorative headband, but I guess I don't, so that's going to be on my next order. Probably from AliExpress. But this is it for my festival look. Alright guys, and that is it for my festival weekend look. I'll probably do a couple more because, especially in Toronto, festivals happen later because it's still fucking freezing here. So I'll probably have some more festival looks up on my channel, but this is the first of 2019. I hope you guys enjoy my glitter freckles, my rainbow crazy eyes, and my black lip. Also, who doesn't love a good wig? Come on. I need a couple more though, so. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!